fiensam na se no na twese me hya flee the Black Queens of Ghana sabra me no kasai omabelande wo oman kronkron Ghana twese safely abibia ekoye erma the Black Queens of Ghana no mo aba arrive here na twese Ghana Supporters Union no it me mo arousing welcome na twese ekwa ni mu pa na twese anwe do hwe the Supporters Union no ekopiemu na twese mo chichi omo fesua na reception ya fantastic yewram na ya demo latest details no at media ma onti yenko screen so na yenhwe how the supporters no welcome the Black Queens of Ghana. When choir omofa so twese ekohia the Black Queens of Ghana won say omone wini the bronze medals wo WAFCON 2024 in Morocco no omotima abedru Ghana safely yepo omo abaso na miwura mo krobia Asante Kotoko. The Porcupine Warriors, Fabulous Sabre, almost were back to Ghana. Omabe PM Ewa Kotoka International Airport. Pipia Ekoye Edema Krobia Asante Kotoko. After say, Omutimi Eko wini the Toyota Cup against Kaiser Chiefs. No, Sabre Omalande Woman Ghana Museflia. Pipia Eko so Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yanramu na Yanshe Hawa. Kotoko place no Elandi ewo Kotoko International Airport.
Agogo.
When choir Krobia Asante Kotoko for Faso Elandi Ghana safely medium latest update no etumo edia bro na amet one samino so no unse Kotoko game no after the game no coach your friend Abdul Karim Sito have just or granted interview na you be ramna interviewer Abdul Karim Sito granted you know yet mo latest no edia amount na papa edi to just say you are very satisfied with Kotoko players, and tactically or sign satisfied. Ntiyeberam na interviewer, Abdul Karim Sito, granteno yet me edia abro. Ntiyemramu na Abdul Karim Sito, samo kayano jem famreo.
Winning the end of the day, I'm satisfied with the way my possible, but tactically, also I'm also satisfied because I know. For sure, you will be through the process before me. And with the new players, definitely I will not get what I wanted. But at least I assigned them certain responsibilities. And I was looking at it for them to do it. And I know at the end of the day, we might win by one or it goes to draw. That was my thinking. Because when you watch, we didn't attack too much. But defensively, we were ready for you. Because seriously,
when dia Karim Sito editu ja on coach Edema Krobia Asante Kotoko na Osantua so se Kotoko anya experience especially so muramu was South Africa and Kaiser Chiefs no ekoboy nti Kotoko anya experience mumayentie dia coach Abdul Karim Sito editu ja.
We coming down here, you know, it's like just coming to pre-season. So at the end of the day, I felt when we are able to win this cup, it also add some importance to the club Asante Kotoko. So seriously, we plan towards that at least we should be able to do what? To win. Because I learned from the second time they played. The first one, they won by penalty against Kotoko. So it means we have to do our best and then win this game to also draw with them. So now it's 1-1. So we are waiting for the third one. So that was the preparation.
Coach, Abdul Karim Zito na trese otene nkano our Bajuma Bruta area ma Kotoko na Abdul Karim Zito so far no watimaje 3 trophies area ma Kropia Asante Kotoko atrese anwedempa watimi aje eye amti and FA Cup no area ma Kotoko sasu na the President Cup no omushia Glorious Accra House of Folk na omo bomachi 2-1 etimi ere echi and na Toyota Cup no mane Kaizo Chief erebani no watimi asan aje area ma Kropia Asante Kotoko se say dia omode friend no coach of Trophy minimum latest update no etimi area ma na Mohammed Aya Kamara na no Obajuma Bruta Erema Kotoko eba ne panetis ya sisi ya uramu wo wiase nyina uramu wo Ghana ona ye expert eba no eye panetis because against House of Folk Obama eye Kotoko etimi the presidential cup na oye saved o save paneti Buama Kotoko tuaso etimi the president cup and anano no so Buama Kotoko oye 4 saves Edema Kotoko Ema Kotoko etimi the Toyota cup na Ghana hadia paneti expert no enwani Mohammed Kamara yepo Abrantian Abaso na miuramu wa Kropia Asante Kotoko sabredia aka Gaka top 4 no and champions of champions no na Trese Kotoko I started the league into Kotoko already omaje trophies mako miensa sesia aka 2 trophies so mutime na Trese Kotoko atmaje 5 trophies this season enye bad kra Edema Kotoko omutime ombe participate the Gaka top 4 and a champions of champions no ombetimi asaba omane babiani Stars and at the Belpania Trese Kotoko afuwe dia caps no omojia bibia ekoye Edema Asante Kotoko mi free Kotoko aswa no na Trese Miramu Glorious Accra House of Folk the Continental Club Masters na uramu House of Folk oswa aka 3 trophy na Trese House of Folk at me I started the league. You see a House of Folk I'm all battle for 3 trophies eye bako eye homo cup no House of Folk battle for Sasuna Gaka top 4 no House of Folk and so battle for and a democracy cup no so House of Folk then battle for House of Folk this season no enya dia omatima aje trophy and to almost try said this trophy dia anya hwe no wombet me ajimu bako na Trese pipia timi akoye ediama the Phobian Boys the Continental Club Masters minimum latest update no atimi ediama na miuramu the transfer news no miuramu aye Dream FC way a confirmation apa aye Winfred Domo no sesia oye new head coach Edema tima ya friend Dreams FC 2025-2026 season on natural se obejina dugout ho apojuma ediama Dreams FC natural se pipia atimi akoyenti Winfred Domo and coach edema Dreams FC on replace papa your friend Abdul Karim Zito sabre trese opojuma edema Kotoko minimum latest details no ediama na miwuramu Adiana FC sabre abrantia your friend Bright Ajay back to Adiana FC this week obey medicals Ariama Trese Adiana na Trese wa Pojuma Ariama Adiana onim go she brutal uramu odoma potamwa se ojina bonima na Trese fans and sabre or you back to Ghana or you back to Adriana next season you be who said Trese or Pojuma Adriana Football Club minimum latest no at me Adiama Mingramu William Denchi Akudai Enimbone Po, former player Edema House of Folk, former player Edema Kimfesa, and a Babiani Ghosta Sabre, Wabe Piemo Adriana Elsia, Obesia Kan Eriama Adriana Elsia, a Brantiano accepted a Adriana contract now, Obe sign a contract until 2027. Natural se washe a green and yellow chase, not what Bajma Ediama Tima, your friend Adriana, on this week or Koyan Americas Adiana Football Club minimum latest details at me Adiama na unsa nanka oko Tanzania and do you know a failure until I back to Ghana. Sabre next season obehu William Denchi say or Pachuma edema etima your friend Adriana FC medemo latest details no etimi area man na urama Nukunu Sports Academy omo left-footed defender Martin Tisa Sabre was joining Vision FC on a permanent deal. Akodai Kosiakan Eriama Vision FC onim born Bob Bruta saying defend the pa Martin onim defend the Bruta o Kosiakan Eriama Vision FC medemo latest details no etme Eriama me to an seminar tsunami kopiemum ewo true democracy Sabre oma confirm say omo midfielder Isaac Boche Sabre wa returning to Nations FC. After say Okoho Lono Sapre wa move to a Nation FC the parent club no ekosi akan area mama medimo latest details no atimi area ba na urama Northern Ladies mo forward your friend Wasima Mohammed Sapre wa arrive Zurich just after the AFCON no with the Black Queens no Sapre ameno kase wa landi Switzerland just 10 days trial Switzerland on a team my friend Zurich FC and I try say koye trials no na bibia at me akoye ediama ababa yo na the oboa ma ababa ya no enya that 10-day trial no out see your friend Zakaria Safiano on the team eboa ma bibia koya mawramo edit details no at me area ma no na mi wramo o media ma FC Sabro mania brace Adriana FC forward Kevin Opin bet me assign a branching on permanent na choice bibia at me akoye ediama mediama FC almost 1 year prepare or had the transfer market anymore womo pachuma bruta into a mania brace kwambia so Kevin Opin former Adriana FC forward no bet me anyan on permanent na choice wa pachuma ediama mediama FC medimo latest no at me ediama minko piemu of Ferdinand Sabi Aqua onim goda bruta or your former goalkeeper edma Kotoku Rioyas former goalkeeper edma Wafa former goalkeeper edma Inswatre my FC Sabre what me assign a 3-year deal. Eriama Samatesa next season obo say ojina omo post no mo na try say o chechepo na we meaning the pa menena na try say ye wo abisma na ye baba ene ono de wo timide ne po no akwani mu na tambia mishara na mitimi share pa ye minimum weakness ye but abranti and the onim go ta Sabre Sabi Ferdinand Aqua wakopiem ewo tima ye from Samatesa okosina kan area mama medimo latest details no atimi area ma miuramu Dreams FC Sabre omania brace ombetimi appointed Edinand Said as assistant coach na trese wa boa Winfred na trese pipia atimi akoye area ma Dreams FC unse oye former Legon City's assistant coach and Dreams FC and ya press a kwampiaso no omunya papa na ebet mapua na omo backroom staff no pipia akoye area ma Dreams FC mabramo edemo latest no atmi area ma na uramu the Black Queens said the WAFCON na ekoso no Sabre the third place na womutimi edi yanti womatimi anya $350,000 when iska Black Queens of Ghana trust omatimi ache area ba on my Ghana my mo po oma baso wo wonderful performance womo etimi eternity the WAFCON 2024 ekoso Morocco medemo latest details epa na meden samno epa wie no miwramu es Ghana coach CK Akono Sabre yes but say obet mawramu Nairobi this week. Not just wa finalizing the move to Kenya Giant Goma here. Not just wa kopojuma, not just wa rebuild or mutimino not heard. This season or last season or just ankoye amfa ma mu nti sapre yɛhwɛ sɛ ɛyɛ CK Akɔnɔ ebetime awuram na kyerɛ sɛ wakɔ rebuild a team for them medium latest details on Eddie Emma Mingramu Antoine Semenyo dreams of playing in the World Cup no Antoine Semenyo Eddie Nsembi Atuja Ntimuma yentie the Antoine Semenyo Black Star player no Eddie Atuja.
I miss the guys, but yeah, it's gonna be some interesting games. We wanna go to the World Cup when we've said that a lot. So yeah, we're gonna be here again, but yeah, we wanna win those games and qualify. So it's gonna be important.
Finally, this is a tough one, but let me ask you.
Okay.
Do you see Ghana playing in this iconic stadium in the World Cup final next year?
I mean,
it's a tough one.
All we can do is manifest. You never know what happens, but I feel like we have to take it step by step. We need to win the quarterfinals first to get to the World Cup and then see what happens.
That was his last question, but there are rumors you were going to other clubs.
Yeah.
The Antoine Semenyo onimbani Boburuta yɛhwɛ Ghana Blasters hwiepe ɛsɛ 2026 World Cup no yɛtimi kopi na kyerɛ sɛ bibia etimi koyɛ nti Antoine Semenyo ɔmani abre ɔne Mohamed Kudus Thomas Step Pateni players ni nyina ɔmani abre sɛ kwampian so ɔmbetimi apoa na the Blasters of Ghana at Ramu ewo Canada, Ramu USA, Ramu ewo Mexico, na trese World Cup no at me abaso, na trese yatima progress at me akoyanima, medimo latest epa, na me twan samene so, na me trese meden semeni na panawie no, Accra Lions, FC, omo right backer. Your friend Felix Amofano Sabre on a Bayern Munchen a trainee for the last 4 weeks. Yes, Akudai bet me as ya kind Hediama Bayern Munchen onimborn bruta and a Nichias Akudana Kwanya Akopim our Bayern not tress on it on under 19 or tress a trainer. Yes, Pipia a bit Makosu smoothly Hediama Abrantia, your friend Felix Amofa. Osina kan Edema Accra Lions. And ha and I made the local news, you know, is